John Aldred for DIYphotography.net. We're still at the photography show, and I'm here with Bob from Hoodman to check out their new drone accessories. So, hi Bob.
John, how are you?
I'm good. Have you had a good show? Has it been busy?
Yeah, it's always a good show here in the UK.
Brilliant. I've noticed you've got some new drone accessories, like a hood for tablets for the controller and a new landing pad.
Right.
Do you want to tell us a bit about those and what makes them special?
Sure. I can start with the landing pad. I mean, you always want to have a surface to take off from that's clean, dust-free, dirt-free, and hopefully water-free. So that's what this provides. So this is a weighted nylon piece that lays down on the ground. This is a 3-foot diameter, 3-meter diameter, same kind of approach. And it's weighted, so it lays down on the ground. You take off from there, whether it's wet grass, whether it's dirt, dust, debris, wherever you're at, this gives you a safe, clear launch site. And then when you're done using it, it simply folds down into itself like that, and it also fits in its case. And once it's in the case, it weighs about 3 pounds, about maybe 2.2 kilos, and it gives you the ability to have a clean, safe takeoff with your flight, with your drone.
Right. And this is available in different sizes, isn't it?
It is. We have a 2-footer for like a Mavic or a Spark, or in that nature of that size. We have a 3-footer, what you see here, which is a Phantom. And then we have a 5-footer, which is more like an Inspire, or maybe a Matrice 600, or we have a full-blown 8 for like an Alta 8, so we go all the way through the whole spectrum.
Yeah.
They're all based on the same foldable, weighted kind of technology. Real simple.
So what are these available in the UK?
They are. Through Arcade Photographic, they're based in London, and they carry the full line of drone products, and they also sell to other drone resellers in the area and throughout the country, and they give you really the full spectrum. And they range in price from this to its least expensive one is probably about £50, and they go up to probably a couple £100 for the 8.
Great.
So I'm not sure exactly, but it gives you that range.
Right.
Yeah.
Brilliant. And Hoodman are famous for its loupes for cameras.
Yeah.
But you've also got one for tablets for setting on a drone controller.
Yeah. Anytime you take a display outside, you're going to have glare.
Yes.
And that's where Hoodman comes in, and it's traditionally been able to fix that with a hood solution or some other type of optical solution that gives you clear viewing when you're outside. No different on a display like a laptop or an iPad or something of that nature. In this case, you have an iPad, can't see it outside. We have a 2-stage hood that really effectively glare is gone. It eliminates it, and now you can see your screen, see your controls, see what you're flying, see what you're shooting, all that kind of stuff.
Brilliant. And are these available now as well?
They are. These are out of the gate. We have 3 different models that fit anywhere from an iPad mini all the way up to a 12.7 iPad.
Right.
So we cover the full spectrum. We do often reference iPads, but they also cross-reference Samsung tablets and Sony tablets.
Yeah, because
we have all that
in the same sizes.
Yeah, they're all in the same world, and they're all the same program. But you really need it for outdoor use. It really gives you a great edge. So,
brilliant.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Well, thank you very much.
All right. You're welcome, John.
Enjoy the rest of the show.
Appreciate it. Nice seeing you.
You too.
Yep.
John Aldred for DIYphotography.net. We're still at the photography show. We're going to keep going around and see what else we can find. We will see you in the next video.
If you like some more cool movies, you can check out this one, and you can subscribe to us down here.